Hey guys, welcome to this DAISY video. In this video, we're going to discuss three very important questions. First, how does the DAISY matrix work? Second, how does the 48 hours rule work? And third, can I earn on a passive basis or do I have to recruit? Okay, so before we talk about the matrix itself, let's discuss the terminology. So we will be talking about tiers and generations. Whenever we talk about tiers, we are referring to the crowdfund packages, and there will be 10 of them, right? And one of the most frequently asked question is, can I buy, let's say, entry level 5 right away, right? Well, the answer is no. You will have to buy all packages one by one. You first buy the $100 package, and then you buy the $200 package, and so on. And by the time you have purchased all 7 packs, you will have spent $12,700. Okay, and on the first 7 packs, like pack 1 to 7 or tier 1 to 7, 50% will go into crowdfunding, into DAISY Crowd, and 50% will go into DAISY Fund, which is the AI trading part. All right. And then on packages 8 to 10, or tiers 8 to 10, 70% will go into DAISY Fund, which is the AI trading, and 30% will go into DAISY Crowd, okay, which is the referral plan and Endotech stock. Okay, so now, so by the time you have purchased all 10 packages, you will have spent $102,300, and $67,070 will go into trading, and $33,000 will go into DAISY Crowd, and this is the number of shares you will have if you purchase all 10 tiers. Okay, so now let's discuss the metrics. Okay, so the metrics will have 10 generations, right? And this is a so-called forced matrix. So that means that you can only have, and this is just an example, let me do the following. So this is a 3 by 10 forced matrix. So that means in the first generation, you can only have 3 people, right? So if you recruit, let's say 6 people, 6 direct people, only 3 will stay in the first generation, and the remaining 3 will go into generation 2. So they will be forced to generation 2, okay? Because you can have maximum 3 people on the first generation. So this is what forced matrix means. So let's say you recruit 12 people, 12 direct people, okay? 3 of them will be placed on the first generation, and 9 of them will be placed on the second generation, okay? So the first 2 generations can be unlocked without recruiting people, okay? So this is to answer the third question. Do I have to recruit to earn from the metrics? No, you can earn from the first 2 generations without recruiting, okay? That's why you will see here, there is no personal recruitment required, right? And there is no turnover that has to be generated by those people, right? So, if someone in your first 2 generations will buy tier 1 to 7, right? You will get 4% commission, okay? 4% upfront commission. And if someone buys tiers 8 to 10, you will get 2% on each package, okay? This is the amount you will have earned if all 3 people will buy a $100 pack. So you basically earn $4 from every pack, and 4 by 3 is 12. This is what you will have earned, okay? And if 9 people in generation 2 will buy $10 packages, you will get 9 times $4, which is 36. Okay. So if all people in your first generation, all three, right, will purchase all 7 packs, and if you remember, to purchase all 7 packs, you need to spend $12,700. Okay. So if you take 4% out of 12,700, this will be 504, and multiplied by 3 will be $1,524 that you will have earned if all 3 members will buy all 7 packs. Okay. If all 3 members will buy packages 8 to 10, you will have earned this amount here. Okay. And you can do the math because you know what it takes to buy packages or tiers 8 to 10. You take 2% of those packages and multiply it by 3. That's how you arrive at this number here. Okay. So with this 2 generations, you can earn without recruiting. Okay, so those 12 people might have come to you through spillover. So if you have a strong sponsor, you can potentially earn 12 times 4, which is 48% from packages 1 to 7. Okay, so now this was generation 1 to 2. But there are 8 generations in total. So the matrix is maxed at 10 generations. Okay. And with generation 3, you will have to start recruiting, to earn from those levels, from those generations, excuse me. I have to be careful with the terminology. Okay. To unlock generation 3, you will have to have 3 direct referrals that have generated $1,000 in turnover, and the total number of people has to be 27. Okay, this is the maximum you can have on generation 3. Okay, so if people buy 1 to 7 tiers, you get 3%. If people buy generations or tiers 8 to 10, you get 1.5%. Okay, and this is what you will earn if all 27 people will buy $100 packs. This is what you will earn if all 27 people will buy tiers 1 to 7, and this is what you will earn if all 27 people will buy tiers 8 to 10. Okay, I hope it all makes sense to you guys. All right, so far so good. So now, so one of the promotions is if you reach a certain level, a certain generation, excuse me, within 30 days, you will get 1 additional generation for free. Okay, so that's one promotion. And the second promotion is in the first 48 hours after you join, right, you will have all 10 generations unlocked. Okay, so if you have people here, if you have people here, normally you will have to qualify for those generations to earn from those people, right? But in the first 48 hours, you will not have to qualify for those generations. Okay, you will earn from all 10 generations. Okay, so there's one extreme case. So let's say you don't recruit at all, but you have a very, very strong sponsor. Okay, and let's say that sponsor will get you like that sponsor will fill all 5 generations for you, right? So typically you don't earn anything from those 243 people because you have to qualify, you have to qualify for this generation. Okay, but in the first 48 hours, this qualification is not needed. Okay, you will earn from all 10 generations. Okay, so that's an extreme case. But let's say you're qualified for generation 4, you have fulfilled all those requirements, right? But you have people down below right? Which can be spillover. So you would typically not earn from them, right? But in the first 48 hours, you will earn from all people in your 10 generations. Okay. And this is the cool thing. And again, you have 48 hours after you join, not after the company, the smart contract will be launched. 48 hours after you join. Okay, so if you join on 7th of January, let's say, you will have 2 days until the 9th of January that you can enjoy this special promotion. Okay, so yeah, so by the time, if you, let's say this will be the perfect scenario, if you will be able to fill all 10 generations, and if you will have 24 direct people that have generated $128,000 in turnover, and this has to come from the first liners. It can be more than 24. It can be more than 24. It doesn't have to be exactly 24. But if your frontliners will achieve at least $128,000, and you will have 59,000 people in your 10th generation, this is the amount you will earn if all of them will buy 1 to 7 tiers, and this is the amount you will earn if all of them buy tiers 8 to 10. Okay, so the maximum you can earn with this matrix is 198 million. Okay, this is the perfect scenario. All right, so now let's talk about the compression. Okay, because that's an interesting aspect. So you will have to buy the same package that your referrals will purchase. Okay, so let's say you have a $200 package, right? And someone in your matrix will buy a $400 package. So that means that you will not earn from this package because your package has to be at least as big as the package of your referral. Okay, so you will have to upgrade to package 400 to benefit from a $400 pack. Okay, so this is how the compression works. And if someone contributes to a $400 package, the algorithm will be basically looking for all qualified members in the 10 generations above that package. Okay, and all people in those 10 generations who are qualified to receive that commission will receive that commission. Okay, this is basically how it works. Okay, so now let's discuss the question if people can earn on 100% passive basis. Okay, so if you don't recruit, that's the maximum amount of members you can earn from, unless you are still within those 48 hours. That 48 hours will open up all 10 levels, all 10 generations for you. Okay, so and this can be spillover, right? Well, it must be spillover if you don't recruit. Okay, those 12 people. So, and if they buy, if they all buy 7 packages, this is what you will earn from the 2 generation. If they all buy 8 to 10 packages, this is what you will earn. Okay, so how does spillover work? Okay, so as I said, you can only have 3 people. You can only have 3 members in the front line. Okay, so if you recruit number 4, that member will go under your first leg. Let me call it a leg. You will have 3 legs. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So number 4 will go under the first leg. Number 5 will go under the second leg, and number 6 will go under the third leg. So the algorithm will be filling all the blind spots from left to right. Okay. And you can also get spillover from your sponsor. Okay. So that the sponsor of a sponsor can also give you spillover if the algorithm will find blind spots like here, like here. So to make it easy to understand it, so the algorithm will be looking for blind spots, from top to down, and it will always search from left to the right. Okay. So, and again, if you have a strong sponsor, you might be able to earn from the first 2 generations. Okay. And yeah, during the first 48 hours, you can earn from maximum 10 generations. Well, I hope this helps you understand the metrics, right? Because many people ask how the metrics works, and I hope this video could help you understand it a bit better. And if you still have questions, join our Telegram group, which is d.ai.sy Global. You just search for t.me/d.ai.sy Global, and yeah, just join our group, and we can help you to understand the metrics. Okay, thanks everybody, and bye.